In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. Whether you want to customize the text to better fit your brand's tone or make it more engaging for your audience, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, we want to access the Audience section, so look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Audience. Now, if you manage multiple audiences or lists within your Mailchimp account, you'll need to make sure you're working with the right one. Double-check the audience you're currently viewing, and if it's not the one you want to edit, select the correct audience from the drop-down at the top of the dashboard. With the correct audience selected, the next step is to locate the Sign Up Forms option. You'll see this under the Audience tab. Go ahead and click on Sign Up Forms. This is where you can customize the forms that your subscribers interact with. Once you're in the Sign Up Forms section, you'll see an option called Form Builder. Select that option, as that's the tool we'll use to update the button text. After the Form Builder loads, navigate to the drop-down menu labeled Forms and Response Emails. From there, choose Sign Up Form. This ensures that you're editing the main Sign Up form where the button text appears. Now that you're in the right place, we're going to switch to the Translated tab. This tab allows you to adjust and customize various text fields within your form, including the button text we're looking to change. Click on that tab and a list of customizable text strings will appear. Scroll through the list until you find the field labeled Subscribe. This is the text that currently appears on the button. To customize it, simply click into the text box next to the subscribe field and type in your desired text. For example, you might want to change it to something like join now, sign up today, or any other phrase that resonates with your brand and audience. Once you've entered your new button text, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Translation Settings button, which is usually located at the bottom of this section, and click it. This will apply your changes and update the text on your sign-up form. And that's it. You've successfully changed the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. Now your form will reflect the updated button text, giving it a more personal or brand-specific touch. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.